Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to discuss the electron dot structures. This is very important question and mostly asked in the examinations in class 10th. Now electron dot structure. Let's first draw the electron dot structure of simple molecule, that is hydrogen molecule. Now, since we know that hydrogen contains one electron in its outermost shell, hence has the valency 1, and another hydrogen atom, this has also valency 1. Now, both these hydrogen atoms will share the electrons. So, this will be shown like this. So, it is hydrogen covalent bond with hydrogen single bond. So this is the electron dot structure of the hydrogen molecule. Both the hydrogens have completed their doublets. Now second example. Number second, oxygen molecule. Now oxygen has the atomic number 8 and it contains 6 valence electrons. Means first K shell contains 2 electrons, K shell contains 2 electrons, L shell contains 6 electrons, atomic number 8. So its valence electrons are 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now each of these oxygens needs 2 electrons to complete their octet, hence mutual sharing of electrons takes place. This oxygen uses the electrons of this and this uses the electrons of this in order to complete their octet. So this is the electron dot structure of oxygen molecule. Since during the mutual sharing 2 electron pairs are involved, hence it is represented as oxygen double bond oxygen. Similarly, for nitrogen molecule. For nitrogen molecule, we know nitrogen has the atomic number 7, that is K2L5, and means it has how many valence electrons? 5 valence electrons. Similarly, another nitrogen, it has also 5 valence electrons. How many electrons it needs to complete its octet? 3 electrons. So these 3 electrons are used by this nitrogen and these 3 electrons are used by this nitrogen in order to complete their octet. So it is shown like this, N triple bond N, because 3 electrons from each nitrogen atom are used in forming the covalent bond. So this is called as the single bond, this is the double bond, and this is the triple bond. Similarly, we can have example like this. Number 4th, that is CH4 methane. Carbon tetravalent means it has 4 valence electrons. Now it needs 4 electrons to complete its octet. Now hydrogen, 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 and hydrogen. So carbon gets the 8 electrons by sharing the electrons with the hydrogen, So this is the electron dot structure of the methane. This is the electron dot structure of methane. Similarly, we can assign the electron dot structure to any compound. We have to only keep in mind that we have to represent the electrons, valence electrons, by the dots. So this is also called as the Lewis dot structure. Lewis dot structures. And we know that every element needs to complete its octet or doublet, either doublet or octet. This can be done by sharing the electrons.